The scientific method in which biological problems are solved is called A. Experimental method. B. Biological method. C. Hypothesis. D. None of the above. Correct answer is biological method. The freezing point of water is A. 100 degrees Celsius. B. 98 degrees Celsius. C. 0 degrees Celsius. D. 105 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 0 degrees Celsius. A liter of water is heavier than a liter of A. Sodium. B. Calcium. C. Magnesium. D. Ethanol. Correct answer is ethanol. A liter of ethanol weighs A. 789 grams. B. 786 kilograms. C. 789 milliliters. D. 789 milligrams. Correct answer is 789 grams. The tentative explanation of observations is called A. Hypothesis. B. Deductions. C. Observation. D. Results. Correct answer is hypothesis. Biologists used reasoning to formulate A. Results. B. Experiments. C. Theory. D. Hypothesis. Correct answer is hypothesis. The most basic step of the biological method is A. Observations. B. Hypothesis. C. Summarization of results. D. Experimentation. Correct answer is experimentation. The Italian word mala means A. Bad. B. Air. C. Bad air. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is bad. Which scientist gave the name Plasmodium? A. Dr. Laveran. B. A.F.A. King. C. Ronald Ross. D. Aristotle. Correct answer is Dr. Laveran. Which one of the following is a correct sequence in the biological method? Correct answer is observation, hypothesis, deduction, experimentation. Who confirmed that Plasmodium is transferred to man by mosquito? A. Ronald Ross. B. A.F. King. C. Laveran. D. All of the above. Correct answer is Ronald Ross. Ross used for their experiments A. Sparrows. B. Mosquito. C. Rat. D. All of the above. Correct answer is sparrow. In sparrows, Plasmodium spreads through A. Aedes mosquito. B. Culex. C. Anopheles. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is Culex. Dengue fever is transmitted through A. Virus. B. Bacteria. C. Mosquito. D. All of these. Correct answer is mosquito. Plasmodium is the cause of A. Malaria. B. Typhoid. C. Dengue. D. All of these. Correct answer is malaria. Which mosquito spreads dengue fever? A. Aedes. B. Culex. C. Anopheles. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is Aedes. Which one of these is not a characteristic of a hypothesis? Correct answer is must be correct. The bark of a tree was a cure for malaria. A. Deodar. B. Cinchona. C. Aloe vera. D. Tulsi. Correct answer is cinchona. In man, Plasmodium multiplies in the A. Blood. B. Skin. C. Kidney. D. Wall of stomach. Correct answer is blood. At which point is a biologist most likely to use reasoning? Correct answer is during hypothesis formulation. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative ones because quantitative ones are. Correct answer is all of the above. The hypothesis, which is often tested and never rejected, is called A. Data. B. theories. C. Deductions. D. Laws. Correct answer is theory. A scientific law is a uniform or constant fact of A. Nature. B. Universe. C. Space. D. None of the above. Correct answer is nature. Scientific law is irrefutable. A. Law. B. Principle. C. Theory. D. All of the above. Correct answer is theory. The information such as names, dates, or values made from observations and experiments are called. Correct answer is data. Data is organized in different formats like A. Maps. B. Flowcharts. C. Tables. D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The examples of biological laws are A. Newton's law of motion. B. Hardy-Weinberg law. C. Mendel's law. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is both B and C. The computational and statistical technique for the analysis of biological data is called. Correct answer is bioinformatics.